In today's video, we are going to dance and groove along to the music of the Gypsy Kings, Rumba Flamenca. We're going to learn 3 different moves that we're just going to put them on repeat and dance along to one of their most famous songs, Bamboleo. I'm Rina Orellana, and I'm a professional flamenco dancer. If you want to dance more with me in a more structured environment after this video, then I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. I have all the information down below. So let's begin. All right, so first we're just going to go over 3 different moves, and this is for absolute brand new beginners with 2 left feet, or if you have even more experience, that's okay too. You can add a little bit more flair to it. So our first marking step is we're just going to step forward, together, forward, together. So relax the knees and relax the hips, and you want to make sure that back foot is firmly planted on the ground, so you're not going to be lifting up the leg. And so here, together, forward, together, forward, together. And if you want to add an arm, you can add same arm, same leg, forward and down, forward and down, forward and down. All right, so again, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's our first marking. Our second marking step is we're going to step to the side. Side, together. Side, together. So again, relax those knees, relax the hips, and you can add the arm, cross, and cross, and cross. So again, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so our third marking step is we're just gonna scoot along in a little circle. We're gonna go stand on the left leg, and we're gonna go scoot, 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 hip, hip, and switch. Standing on the right leg, going to the right, hip, 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 hip. And you can bring your arms up if you want. And hip, 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 and switch. Hip, 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 hip. And back to the beginning. So our combinations, we're going to have forward, together, forward, together, forward, together, forward, together to the side, side, together, side, together, side, together, side, together, around, 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 and switch, around, 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 around. Back to the beginning, forward, together. All right, so we're going to do that combination to our music, and I'll just call out the different moves. Let's do it. You ready? Here we go. Forward, forward, step. To the side. Around. Switch. Back to the beginning. Side. Get ready. Around. Ole. Switch. Back around again. Switch. Front. Relax the hips. Side. Around. Switch. Switch. Front. Side. And around. Switch. Switch. And back. And switch. Get ready to bring it front. Front. Side. Around. Back. Front. Side. Around. Ole. Thanks for joining me. I hope you got your little workout in there. If you want to continue your studies with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. I have all the information below, plus a link for a free 10-day trial. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.